Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to enable document retention policy on DocuSign. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to log into your account on docusign.com and then select settings. Now you need to scroll down and on your left side select document retention. Now scroll down again and under the category called document retention policy, you need to tick this button called enable document retention policy. After that, if you want to do, then you can also fill up these details if you would like, and after that you need to select on this save button which is on the bottom left corner. Now after doing it, now you guys have successfully enabled document retention policy on DocuSign. So that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.